Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing a simple and easy gingerbread man for Christmas. So come join me.
Okay.
Alright, so let's get started with the gingerbread man. So the first thing we're going to do is draw his head, and his head's going to be a circle, it's going to be round, we're just not going to close it off at the bottom. So let's draw a circle. There we have his head. Then we're going to draw his arms, and the arms are like little loops and so are the legs. So what we're going to do is we're going to dip in a little bit, make a point like a triangle. Just like that. We're going to separate the legs with a loop again. This one's going to look like a hill that's going up and then down. And then from here, I would like to draw an arm that's holding a candy cane. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to draw almost like a hook. And then we'll draw the candy cane. So it's like a hook, will come down, and then we'll connect it. So I'm gonna go loop it up. Kind of looks like the letter J. And then we'll reach these two together. And we have the candy cane. We'll just loop this up.
Great!
And then we'll continue the rest of the arm. So from here, so there we have the arm holding the candy cane, and then we'll finish the body. So from here, we're just going to continue with the loop, go up, and then we have the candy cane. Now we can add all the cool details. So I wanted to add a bow tie on him, and by doing that, we're going to draw first a rectangle. So we're going to draw two horizontal lines like this. And then we could draw his face. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw two big bright eyes. So we're going to draw two circles. And we'll draw a nice bright smiley face. So we'll draw the letter U or like a loop. And then we'll draw, similar to the mouth, letter U's on the eyes that we could color in as well later. So I'll draw one right here, and then I'll draw one right here. And then we could add a Santa hat. So what we could do is draw like the letter C on this side. Draw on a little Santa hat, and then we'll come up here and draw a line. So we'll go up and out. And then we'll do the same thing on this one, but this one's gonna come in more. And there we have our gingerbread man. So right now I'm gonna color it in. I'll probably do more traditional colors like brown, red for the little buttons. And you guys could choose whatever color you want, so come join me.
a little.
Alright guys, so here's the gingerbread man. Thank you for joining me. I hope you found it easy and fun. Merry Christmas.